Hello everybody, thanks for your time to come here. I'll just very quickly do a very quick introduction about who we are and what we are doing. The company is an Italian company. LDR has been in the theater and TV market business for more than 15 years right now. We do business most of the time outside of Italy. We have 52 distributors around the world, from Australia, Asia, Europe, and America. And what we do is theater lighting for theaters, lighting for museums. We do not have nothing that moves, and that's what we do. We try to follow the latest market trend, and that's why we come up with the product that you're here to judge, and is a 200-watt LED profile with different beam angle. So our concept of lighting, it is that LED should not be considered a way to exchange or completely replace tungsten halogen. It is just another form, it is just another tool the lighting designer have in the market. For this reason, we are trying to apply what is important in theater, and the most attention we give to this product, it is on the dimming. So dimming curve, we all know, is very important in theater. It's very important when you try to do some smooth effect. So it is a product which is being designed for theater application. We are using a way to have a very smooth dimming process. So we divide the signal at the entrance. We have 8-bit plus 8-bit to have high current, a low current to have a smooth fade of the dimming. Actually, you can see what we can reproduce here. And the good point, we are using high frequency to avoid a problem with the frequency. We couple the 200-watt LED system with what we think it is still a conventional way, but it's still the only way to reproduce a good and homogeneous lighting distribution. So we have a total of 5 lenses, 2 lenses in the back and 3 lenses in the front, to provide an homogeneous lighting distribution, and to also offer the opportunity to frame shutter, and even when you want to close, actually you can go and frame shutter as you like. So the combination of the LED we are having, we pay a lot of attention on skin tone, try to reproduce as much as we can with color rendering, knowing that LED has some limitations. So why this product is going to be considered innovative for us is that we can provide a very smooth dimming. We can provide a very good color rendering, and especially a very good skin tone. Right now we just complete a nice installation in July, which is going to be the first large theaters in East of Europe, where they are going to use 80 of this profile combined with conventional tungsten halogen features. So that's...
Can you take it all the way to black?
Yes, of course. You can take the back. That's the good difference, and one of the critical problem that you generally have with LED is that you have steps, and that at the beginning it starts from 0 to 20. And we know that this is a critical part when you go into designing a project or an application. As you can see, you can really dim very accurately at the beginning. You can even go even lower. You don't have a step. That's why we have these 2 systems to divide the dimming signal in 8-bit high current and 8-bit low current. This is going to be what we think will make the difference in between the possibility to use LED product with tungsten halogen product. So you can also buy, so you can really see The product comes with two different modules, what we call the warm color temperature that try to reproduce the 300 to 200 Kelvin degrees and 5,600. We have different beam angle, 18 to 36, 30 to 55, and 80 to 22. It's been designed for theater application. 200 watt to compare with 1 tungsten halogen. Of course, you may always miss with LED the linear and the same things that you can have with tungsten halogen lamp, but the possibility to be used and to operate in the same way that theater technicians are using the other lights, they can use these lights. Okay, yeah, this is just right. Okay, let me see. Where we can. Yes. So even if you're going up and you have to consider that what we have here. So the other good point, as I mentioned, you can really frame the shutter blade and so you have two straight parallel beams. And the same is on this one, which actually is a kind of work situation where you're working with a very wide beam angle. But still, you see, very large, homogeneous lighting distribution.
When you're running it through DMX, does it bypass the manual control? Or?
Yeah, I mean, you can activate the manual control, you can deactivate the manual control. I mean, you're having like 3 different channels to control the fan. The fan goes also in auto mode system, actually, because we know that in theater, we know the noise is one of the main concerns. We have like a kind of drive mode system that you can have with your car that automatically detects the temperature. So if you want to increase the performances, it automatically turn and slow the fan in a way that you increase the performance if you want to drive over the 200 watt. Right now the curve we're working is at around 28-30 dBA.
And are they shipping now?
Yeah, we already, as I mentioned, we just installed this unit in well, the House of Terror in Bucharest. It's a small application, but it's very important for the city. And we have done a very first last theater, which has been till now the first theater just using LED lighting is in Estonia. They are using 84 of these units. We ship them up in July. They're going to be installed, finish the installation at the end of September. And we have 2 complete installations in Hong Kong in 2 theaters.
And what's the lifetime of the lamp?
The lifetime of the lamp, this is, let's say theoretically, we all know that LED, everybody are talking about 50,000 hours. Right now, we have done a lot of tests. No one can actually tell you if it really lasts 50,000 hours. Okay, this is what we state, that we always guarantee 25,000 hours working in operation, because the way that we control the electronic, we try to preserve the LED chip and the temperature where the LED chip is soldered, which is the most critical part, to keep and maintain the same features that actually the LED is now providing.